Wait, did you know humans feel over 3,000 emotions? 3,000. But most people only use 3 words to describe them: happy, sad, tired. That's it. And today, I'm going to fix that for you forever. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll speak about your feelings like a native English speaker. Ready? Let's go. But first, let me ask you something. How do you feel right now? Think about it. Don't just say good or fine. Really think. Because in English, saying I'm fine every day is like eating the same food every day. Boring, right? So let's change that today. Repeat after me. Slowly, clearly. Don't just listen, speak out loud. I feel happy today. Again, I feel happy today. One more time. I feel happy today. Good. Now try this one. I am very happy. Notice the stress. Very happy. Say it again. I am very happy. Perfect. Let's try something different. I feel a little nervous. A little nervous. Not very, just a little. I feel a little nervous. You know, when I first started learning English, I used the word happy for everything. My teacher laughed at me one day. She said, "You can't be happy about everything." And she was right. So she taught me what I'm teaching you now. These little words change everything. Here's the secret. Native speakers use words before emotions to show how strong the feeling is. Let me show you. A little tired. A bit tired. Pretty tired. Really tired. Very tired. Extremely tired. Completely exhausted. Now you try. Repeat after me. I'm a little tired. I'm pretty tired. I'm really tired. I'm completely exhausted. Feel the difference? Each word is stronger than the last. This is how you sound natural. Hey, are you still with me? Don't just watch, speak. Your mouth needs to move, your tongue needs to practice. If you're only listening, you're wasting your time. Speak out loud right now. Even if someone hears you. Even if you feel silly. That's how fluency happens. Let's go deeper into happy, because there are so many better words. I'm glad. I'm pleased. I'm delighted. I'm thrilled. I'm overjoyed. I'm on cloud 9. Repeat with me. I'm glad to see you. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm delighted to be here. I'm thrilled about the news. I'm on cloud 9 today. Say that last one again. I'm on cloud 9. It means extremely happy. Use it when something amazing happens. Quick question. If you got a new job, which would you say? A, I'm okay. B, I'm happy. C, I'm thrilled. The answer? C, thrilled. That's the energy of getting a new job. Words carry feeling. Choose the right one. Now let's learn sad, because sometimes life is hard and you need the words to express it. I feel down. I'm feeling blue. I'm upset. I'm heartbroken. I'm devastated. Repeat after me slowly. I feel down today. I'm feeling a bit blue. I'm really upset about it. I'm heartbroken. I'm absolutely devastated. Listen to the rhythm. English is musical. Feel the beat. Say it again with me. I feel down today. I'm feeling a bit blue. Here's something interesting. In English-speaking countries, people don't always say, I'm sad. They say, I'm feeling down or I'm having a rough day. It sounds softer, more natural, more like a real conversation. Try it. Okay, let's talk about tired, because we all get tired, right? I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm exhausted. I'm drained. I'm worn out. I'm burnt out. I'm running on empty. Now repeat these full sentences. I'm so tired today. I feel exhausted after work. I'm completely drained. I'm worn out from the week. I'm running on empty. That last one, running on empty, It means you have no energy left, like a car with no gas. Beautiful expression, right? I want you to do something right now. Pause the video. Yes, pause it. And say out loud 3 times with feeling. I'm running on empty. I'm running on empty. I'm running on empty. Did you do it? If yes, you're serious about learning. If not, go back and do it. This is how you improve. Stress. We all feel it. Let's learn how to express it. I'm stressed. I'm under pressure. I'm overwhelmed. I'm freaking out. I'm losing my mind. Repeat with me. I'm really stressed today. I'm under so much pressure. I'm totally overwhelmed. I'm freaking out about the test. I'm losing my mind with work. Notice I used really, so much, totally. These are intensifiers. They make your English sound alive. Listen carefully. If you only learn one thing today, learn this. Intensifiers. Really. So. Totally. Absolutely. Completely. These little words make you sound natural. Without them, you sound like a robot. With them, you sound human. Use them every day. Let's move to excited. This one is fun. I'm excited. I'm pumped. I'm hyped. I can't wait. I'm buzzing. Repeat after me. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I'm pumped for the game. I'm hyped about the trip. I can't wait to see you. I'm buzzing with excitement. Say that last one with energy. I'm buzzing. Put your feeling into your voice. That's shadowing. That's speaking like a native. You're doing great, by the way. Seriously. Most people quit watching English videos after 2 minutes. You're still here. That tells me something about you. You're different. You actually want to speak English, so keep going. We're just getting started. Nervous. That feeling before a presentation? Before a first date? Before an exam? Let's learn to say it better. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I'm worried. I have butterflies. I'm on edge. I'm a nervous wreck. Now these full sentences. Repeat with me. I'm a little nervous about tomorrow. I'm anxious about the meeting. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm on edge today. I'm a complete nervous wreck. Butterflies in my stomach. I love this one. It describes that fluttery feeling when you're nervous. Say it with me one more time. I have butterflies in my stomach. By the way, I still get butterflies before making these videos. Every single time. And that's okay. Feeling nervous means you care. It means it matters to you. So don't hide your feelings. Express them. In English, let's learn anger, because sometimes you need to express it. I'm angry. I'm mad. I'm annoyed. I'm frustrated. I'm furious. I'm fed up. Repeat these sentences. I'm a little annoyed. I'm really frustrated. I'm completely fed up. I'm absolutely furious. Notice how the emotion grows. Annoyed is small. Furious is huge. Use the right word for the right feeling. Quick question for you. When was the last time you were furious? Think about it. Now say it in English. I was furious when... Finish that sentence in your head, or better out loud. This is how you make English personal. Your English. Let's learn surprise. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. I'm stunned. I'm speechless. I'm blown away. I can't believe it. Full sentences. Repeat with me. I'm so surprised to see you. I'm absolutely shocked. I'm completely stunned. I'm speechless right now. I'm blown away by this. I can't believe it. Blown away. It means extremely impressed or surprised. Use it when something is amazing. Imagine this. Your friend surprises you with a birthday cake. You don't say, I'm happy. That's weak. You say, I'm blown away or I'm speechless. Feel the difference? That's real English. That's the English natives speak. Confusion. We all feel lost sometimes. I'm confused. I'm lost. I don't get it. I'm puzzled. I have no idea. I'm scratching my head. Repeat after me. I'm so confused right now. I'm completely lost. I don't get it at all. I have no idea what's happening. I'm scratching my head means I can't understand something. It's a fun way to say it. Try it. I'm scratching my head about this. Okay, stop for a second. Look how many ways you can express yourself now. Just a few minutes ago, you only had 3 or 4 words. Now you have 30, 40, maybe 50. That's growth. That's real progress. Keep going. Let's talk about love, not just romantic. All kinds. I like it. I love it. I adore it. I'm crazy about it. I'm obsessed with it. I can't get enough of it. Repeat with me. I love this song. I adore your dress. I'm crazy about pizza. I'm obsessed with this show. I can't get enough of it. Say it with passion. I love this. Emotion lives in your voice. Let it out. Next time you eat something delicious, don't just say it's good. Say, I'm obsessed with this food. Watch how people react. They'll smile. They'll laugh. They'll want to talk to you more because you sound interesting. Fear. Let's learn it. I'm scared. I'm afraid. I'm terrified. I'm freaked out. I'm petrified. Repeat these. I'm a little scared. I'm really afraid of spiders. I'm absolutely terrified. I'm totally freaked out. Freaked out is very common, very casual. Use it with friends. I'm freaked out about the exam. Here's a native speaker's secret. We rarely say, I am afraid. It sounds too formal, too old-fashioned. We say, I'm scared or I'm freaked out. Learn the casual versions. That's how real people talk. Let's feel proud. I'm proud. I'm satisfied. I'm accomplished. I'm on top of the world. Repeat with me. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of myself. I feel accomplished today. I'm on top of the world. Say that last one again. I'm on top of the world. It means extremely happy and proud. Use it when you achieve something big, like finishing this video. By the way, when you finish watching this video, you can say, I'm on top of the world because I learned 40 emotion words today. Try it. Out loud. Right now. Don't be shy. Nobody's watching. Well, I'm not watching. Probably. Boredom. We all feel it? I'm bored. I'm dying of boredom. I have nothing to do. I'm going crazy. Repeat after me. I'm so bored right now. I'm dying of boredom. I have absolutely nothing to do. I'm going crazy here. Dying of boredom doesn't mean you're actually dying. It's an exaggeration. English loves exaggeration. Use it. English speakers exaggerate a lot. I'm starving doesn't mean you're actually starving. It means you're very hungry. I'm freezing doesn't mean you're actually freezing. It means you're cold. Learn this. It makes your English natural. Sometimes we feel many things at once. Let's learn that. I have mixed feelings. I'm a little conflicted. I don't know how I feel. I'm happy and sad at the same time. Repeat these sentences. I have mixed feelings about this. I'm conflicted about the decision. I don't know how I feel right now. I'm happy and sad at the same time. This is very human. We're complicated. Our feelings are complicated. Your English should show that. Can I ask you something deep? When was the last time you told someone exactly how you felt? Not just "I'm fine," really how you felt. If you can do it in your language, you can do it in English. You just need the words. And now you have them. Let's put it all together in real conversations. Repeat after me. How are you today? I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm pretty happy. Again. How are you today? I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm pretty happy. Another conversation. How was your day? It was stressful. I'm completely exhausted. Repeat. How was your day? It was stressful. I'm completely exhausted. One more. Are you okay? Honestly, I'm feeling down today, but thanks for asking. Repeat. Are you okay? Honestly, I'm feeling down today, but thanks for asking. Listen, this video is almost over, but your practice is just starting. Tomorrow, use these words, not some of them, all of them. Even if it feels weird, even if you make mistakes, mistakes are proof that you're learning. Keep going. Let's shadow some powerful emotional phrases. I've never felt this happy. I've never felt this sad. I've never been so excited. I've never been so nervous. I've never been more proud. Repeat with emotion. I've never felt this happy. I've never been so excited. I've never been more proud. Feel the words. Don't just say them. Feel them. Here's the final lesson. Words without feeling are just noise, but words with feeling? Those change lives, yours and everyone around you. So speak English with your heart, not just your mouth. Let's finish strong. Repeat these final sentences with me. I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm a little tired, but I'm happy. I'm really excited about the future. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm ready. I'm grateful for this moment. One more time with feeling. I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm really excited about the future. I'm grateful for this moment. You did it. You learned over 40 ways to express your feelings in English. 40. You started with 3 words, and now you have a whole world of emotions at your fingertips. So, tomorrow, when someone asks how you are, don't say "I'm fine." Say something real, something beautiful, something true. And if this video helped you even a little, subscribe. Because tomorrow, I'll teach you another skill that most English learners never discover. Until then, keep shadowing, keep speaking, and remember your English is already better than you think. See you tomorrow.